In the realm of modern kitchen appliances, compact and efficient solutions are often the most valued, especially for those with limited space or on-the-go lifestyles. This Imusa USA electric single burner is a testament to practicality and efficiency, designed to cater to a variety of cooking needs without occupying much space. Whether you're a college student in a dorm, a young adult living on your own, or simply someone who needs an extra burner for holiday gatherings, this electric single burner promises to deliver. Let's dive into a detailed review of this compact kitchen marvel. The first thing you'll notice about the Imusa USA electric single burner is its sleek and slim design. Measuring just 3.5 inches in height, 8 inches in width, and 8 inches in depth, this burner is incredibly compact. It's perfect for small kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, and even for outdoor cooking during events or camping trips. The lightweight build, weighing only 2-3 pounds, makes it extremely portable. Its minimalist design ensures that it fits into any kitchen decor without being obtrusive. The burner features a stainless steel drip tray, which not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also makes cleaning a breeze. The stainless steel is durable and resistant to rust, ensuring longevity even with regular use. The overall build quality feels solid and the components fit together seamlessly, indicating good manufacturing standards. Equipped with 100 watts of power, the Imusa electric single burner heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. Whether you're boiling water, sautéing vegetables, or keeping food warm, this single burner delivers reliable performance. The heat distribution coils ensure even heating, so you won't have to deal with hot spots that can burn your food. One of the standout features of this burner is the adjustable temperature knob. This single knob allows you to regulate the temperature with ease, giving you precise control over your cooking. Whether you need a gentle simmer or a rolling boil, adjusting the heat is straightforward and intuitive. Safety is a crucial aspect of any kitchen appliance, and the Imusa electric single burner does not disappoint. It comes with non-slip rubber feet that keep the burner stable during use, preventing any accidental slips or slides that could lead to spills or burns. The power indicator light is another thoughtful addition, letting you know when the burner is on. This reduces the risk of accidentally touching a hot surface or leaving the burner on when not in use. Additionally, the burner features an auto shut-off function after 60 minutes of continuous use within 2 hours, as recommended in the manual. This not only ensures the safety of the appliance, but also helps in energy conservation. Using the Imusa electric single burner is as simple as it gets. Just plug it in, turn the knob to your desired temperature, and start cooking. The compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, and the lightweight design means you can take it with you wherever you go. Maintenance is equally hassle-free. The stainless steel drip tray catches any spills, making cleanup quick and easy. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is usually sufficient to keep the burner looking new. The burner coils are also easy to clean and do not require any special cleaning agents. Ideal for various settings. The versatility of the Imusa electric single burner makes it ideal for numerous settings. College dorms. Its compact size and efficient heating make it perfect for dorm rooms where space and cooking facilities are limited. Small apartments. For young adults living in small apartments, this burner provides an extra cooking surface without taking up much space. Office use, great for preparing quick meals or heating lunch at the office. Outdoor events, whether it's a picnic, a tailgate party, or a camping trip, this burner can be a reliable cooking companion. Extra cooking surface. During holidays or large gatherings, it can serve as an additional burner to accommodate extra dishes. In conclusion, the Imusa USA electric single burner is a compact, efficient, and versatile kitchen appliance that lives up to its promises. Its robust build quality, efficient heating, adjustable temperature control, and essential safety features make it a reliable choice for a variety of cooking needs. Whether you're in a small living space or need an extra burner for special occasions, This appliance provides the perfect solution. The Imusa electric single burner is more than just a burner. It's a practical addition to your kitchen that ensures you can cook wherever and whenever you need. Its blend of functionality, safety, and ease of use makes it a valuable asset for anyone looking to enhance their cooking setup without compromising on space. If you found this review helpful and want to see the full product specifications, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.